Welcome to ISOPARA, a global learning platform for mechanical design. Today we are going to learn about the Certified Online Beginners CAD course in CATIA from basic to advanced level. Let's begin. First, we see the demands of this course in the market. If we talk about the foundation for design, this course serves as the fundamental cornerstone, an introductory guide, imparting invaluable insights into how the industry harnesses the power of elementary commands to unravel intricate problems. It provides a comprehensive understanding of the methodologies employed by experts in working with CATIA, unveiling the strategic approach behind their proficiency. Now, if we talk about the jobs in the market. In the expansive realm of design, numerous opportunities abound, yet a persistent shortage persists in the availability of designers with specialized domain expertise. If your passion lies within the automotive and mechanical sectors, rest assured that your commitment can seamlessly translate into abundant job opportunities. And finally, if we consider future growth, then the landscape is undergoing a transformative shift as the industry embraces profound changes. The trajectory of automotive design is hurtling towards a digital future, wherein the demand for designers is escalating significantly. The rise of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies is creating an imperative for a burgeoning cadre of skilled designers. Now, we see about the Beginners CAD course in CATIA from basic to advanced level at ISOPARA. Let's begin. The Certified Online CAD course in CATIA from basic to advanced level at ISOPARA is a comprehensive and sought-after training program designed to equip learners with the necessary skills and expertise in CATIA, a leading computer-aided design software widely used in diverse industries. Whether you are a beginner with no prior CAD experience or an experienced professional looking to enhance your skills, this course provides a structured and step-by-step approach to mastering CATIA. The online learning platform offers flexibility, allowing learners to access course materials at their convenience and study at their own pace. Upon successful completion, participants will receive a recognized certification from ISOPARA, validating their proficiency in CATIA and opening up new career opportunities in the design, engineering, and manufacturing industries. Led by industry expert instructors, the course covers a wide range of topics, starting from the basics of CATIA and gradually progressing to advanced-level functionalities. Participants will learn to create intricate 3D models, perform surface design, and gain hands-on experience with real-world projects. Now, we see what this course includes. This course includes 12 hours on-demand video, 80 downloadable exercises, one-to-one live support, access on laptop and mobile, certificate of completion, lifetime access, and many more. Now, we see the number of stages of what you will learn in this course. First is, this is course we cover sketcher, part design, surface design, assembly design, drafting, sheet metal with best industry CAD methodology and approach. Second is, we'll cover the importance of CAD and its applications. We'll also introduce the UI, including file management and workspace navigation. Third is, we'll start with sketcher commands, covering profile, operation, constraints, sketch tools, and visualization toolbars. Each command will be explored in detail for a comprehensive understanding. Fourth is, we'll learn the step-by-step process of creating a 2D sketch, ensuring full or isometric constraints and accurate dimensions. Sketching is critical for 3D models, emphasizing the need for detailed practice. Fifth is, we'll introduce part modeling, focusing on toolbars like sketch-based, dress-up, and surface-based features. Our emphasis will be on converting 2D sketches into 3D models and performing operations with these features. Next is, we'll explore creating 3D models with CAD methodology and maintaining CAD history. We'll cover various Boolean operations, including assembly, addition, removal, union, trim, intersection, and lump removal. Next is, We'll cover fundamental settings, including creating shortcuts to streamline workbench transitions and configuring display and data save settings. Next is we'll master commands for shaping and creating surface models with step-by-step guidance. We'll explore key parameters and commands for various purposes, culminating in the conversion of surface models into 3D solids. Next is we'll introduce the assembly workbench and its vital toolbars. We'll delve into comprehensive command understanding, differentiating between parts, products, and components, and explore assembly types, including bottom-up, top-down, and top-down with link. Next is we'll illustrate a bottom-up assembly and top-down using an example, demonstrating how to integrate various parts in the assembly workbench and apply constraints for a proper assembly. And the last is we'll cover essential drawing commands and toolbars for creating various views, balloons, proper dimensioning, and bill of materials generation. Learn the key aspects of drawing creation. Now, we see why to choose this course, its importance and benefits. Let's start. First is widely used software. CATIA is extensively used in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and engineering, providing ample job opportunities. Second is versatility. Learning CATIA allows you to work on diverse projects, from 3D modeling and simulation to product design and analysis. Third is industry-relevant skills. Acquiring CATIA skills makes you more competitive in the job market, as it is a sought-after software in the design and engineering industries. Fourth is high precision and accuracy. CATIA enables precise modeling and simulation, ensuring accurate and reliable product development. Fifth is enhanced productivity. With its intuitive interface and advanced features, CATIA enhances productivity, enabling you to complete projects more efficiently. Next is seamless collaboration. CATIA supports effective collaboration among design teams, streamlining communication and project coordination. Next is realistic visualization. The software's rendering capabilities allow you to create realistic and visually impressive presentations of your designs. Next is continuous innovation. As CATIA evolves, learning the software keeps you up to date with the latest tools and functionalities, promoting continuous improvement. Next is global recognition. CATIA skills are recognized worldwide, making it valuable for professionals seeking international job opportunities. And the last is career growth. Proficiency in CATIA opens up opportunities for career advancement, leading to more challenging roles and responsibilities in the design and engineering sectors. Now, we see what the prerequisites required for this course are. Let's start. First is computer proficiency. Basic computer skills, using a keyboard and mouse, and managing files, are essential for an online learning environment. Second is technical background. A fundamental understanding of engineering concepts and technical drawings can aid in comprehending CATIA design principles and functionalities. Third is time management. Online courses require self-discipline and effective time management to keep up with lectures, assignments, and interactive sessions. Fourth is access to CATIA software. Ensure you have access to CATIA software or an environment where you can practice the course exercises and implement the design methodologies. Not having access, contact our technical team. Next is computing power and specific hardware. A computer or laptop is required before starting to learn an online CATIA course. Operating system is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. A minimum of 4 GB RAM is necessary to ensure smooth performance. And the last is internet connectivity. A stable and reliable internet connection is required to access the online CATIA course materials, tutorials, and interactive sessions. Now, we see placement assistance. ISO Para's placement assistance works in 4 steps. First is attain mastery through comprehensive learning. Acquire expertise with our comprehensive course, gaining valuable insights and skills for a transformative learning experience. Second is crack CAT challenges. Ace the CAT test, clearing the first round hurdle with precision and expertise, propelling you towards success in your journey. Third is conquer technical interviews. Excel in the technical interview to successfully navigate the final round, opening doors to career advancement and securing your desired position. And fourth is secure 100% placement in OEM and Tier 1 industries. Attain career pinnacle by securing 100% placements in top-tier OEM and esteemed Tier 1 industries, ensuring professional success and growth opportunities. Now, the final is placement support. ISO Para provide placement support to all learners through following ways. First is resume building. Our team assists you in crafting a compelling resume tailored to the skills you acquire and aligned with industry requirements. Second is job seeker profile. We aid in building an appealing job seeker profile on popular job portals and LinkedIn, capturing the attention of HR professionals. Third is mock-up interviews. To refine your interview skills, we conduct mock-up interviews, providing valuable feedback for skill enhancement. And the last is CAT test check. Review your CAT test, embrace feedback, and enhance your skills. Turn insights into growth for continuous self-improvement. Hence, this is all about the Certified Online Beginners CAT course in CATIA from basic to advanced level. Now, if you are seeking counseling from an industry expert, then feel free to contact us. Thank you.